You're sure I'm gonna do
This show is scaring me. It has little green people. And him.
Did you get it yet?
No. How are you doing?
You touched my eye. I touched your nose. Is a dick.
Get away!
Abby,
Get away.
what's your sexual preference? Brendan Jones, perhaps? Yes, it is! YouTube. Abby is currently jealous of Cecilia Moss, perhaps?
Can't put this anywhere. You're deleting it.
Because she wants to fuck him. You cannot put this on YouTube. Who's your favorite guy? Forget his name. Jamie, get this. Puke. Is this a video? Shroom.